This one guys is Consulate General of the Philippines in Hong Kong. The future, the everlasting flowers. Hi guys! So yan, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And for today's video, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga different boat here sa Hong Kong Flower Show 2025. So, let's go. And this landscape guys is Hong Kong branch of Sujitsu Teachers. Ang ganda. This landscape boat guys is Isabella Classic Floral Design. Diba ang ganda? Yung design nila. This one is Crazy Chong Floral Design Academy. Ang ganda is red. And for MUA.com. Itong boat na to guys. And itong boat naman na to guys is from Alexandra Flores. This one guys is a bluegrass project of the Philippines. Ayan. This is the glory of human beings that we stand up to fight again whenever we fall down. Bluegrass, Philippines. Including bamboo. And this one is a bamboo material. Bluegrass, Philippines. This one guys is HB Florist Queen Flowers. Wings siya guys is made of flowers. Orchids white. This boat is from Leah Fane. Ang ganda guys is a branch of wood or tree and be decorate like that. Leah Fane. This one is Association of Macau Floral Culture. From Macau Culture. And this one guys is World Orchid Association Malaysia Chapter. O diba ang ganda ng mga ano nila ng pagka-arrange nila and is all orchids. O ang ganda guys. Holding. This one is Singapore. Rupapim Floral Design School of Singapore with made of cosmos flowers. And this one is from Oiwa Floral Design School, World Flower Council Macau Chapter. Ang ganda. Ganda guys. It's made of dry leaves na nano nila. This one guys is from Roma Flowers Design in Vietnam. Every year they have always this entry all over the like Asian. And this one is Japan. Asia Flower Culture Association Japan. Holding Japan. This one guys is fixing over my training cell. This one guys is World Floral Council from Philippines. Ayan, Philippines chapter. Sponsored by Iwan Flora. Diba ang ganda? Maganda din siya. Ito yung flag ng Pilipinas. This one guys is Consulate General of the Philippines in Hong Kong. The future, the everlasting flowers. Ayan. Pinag-combine nila yung Aqualuna na design and then yung design ng mga boat sa Pilipinas. This one guys is Tony Yuen Professional Floristry Program. Ayun, same as last year guys. And here Represented by 13A New Street Art Gallery. Uy, ang kaganda guys. Yung mga recycle. Oh, huli nga. This one is 13A New Street Gallery. Floral message about life. Yeah, this one guys is from Macau. Entry ng Macau guys. Parang ganyan. Pero mas maganda nung 2023 yung entry na. Ayan, ganito lang yung entry nila. Ayan, ganyan. Cantonese. Ayan yung mga building sa Macau. Ito guys, galing sa Brighton. Glory Culture Limited. Yung Brighton Mall sa may Prince Edward. Sila yung nag-decorate dito guys. So, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Yan na yan. And Association of Horticulture. Lantaw Islands. May mayana silang gano'n. This one guys is from Pakistan. Both from Pakistan. Maganda din siya. Oh, may tip. Pakistani. And then the other one is Indonesia. Indonesia. Wow, ang ganda ng Indonesia. May mga dress pa sila. Bali, Nusa Tenggara, Papua. Indonesia. Ganda nito guys. Ano siya? South Institute Association, Egyptural Arts. Ayan, may mga ano sa baba nilang. Kagaling nilang nag-decorate. It's worth a lot of effort. Ayan. This landscape guys is from Eastern District Garden Plot. May Rosa. Japonica. Uy, tignan mo guys, yung lumang thermos at saka takore, Eastern District. Ganda. Ganda guys, I love this. Ayun guys, yung lumang takore and thermos, may bread bakery siya. Ganyan siya, bahay siya. Reflection. Yan, this landscape guys is from Kontong District. Ganda. Oy, may ano siya dyan. May parang ano dyan. Kubon. Ito naman guys is Guangzhou Association for the Art Research of Flower Arrangement. And dito sa kabila guys is China Flower Arrangement Association. Tignan nyo yung base guys. Nakahang siya. Nakahang yung base niya. Diba ang ganda? Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak na to guys. Iba-iba yung kulay nila. I like this one. It's violet. And this one. Until there. May gift siya guys. Pagkat nito guys, oh, made of wood. Oh, diba? Oh, nice. And mga papay flower. And gamamela, the best goes.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며. 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 그날의 나는 내게 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니. 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아. 너와 나의 다른 생각이 결국엔 우리를 서로 갈라서게 만들었어. 근데 왜 이런 얘기를 하게 된 건지 난 모르겠어. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 말은 해줘야 하는데 내 마음 변하지 않았다고. 모든 게 오해야. 내 얘기를 들어주길 바래. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파.
This one guys is Beijing Flower Association. So yun guys, that is the end of my video and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye guys.